What up, YouTube? So this is gonna be part 5 of the Honda Accord k24 engine replacement. So we're gonna be taking this motor back out so we can have it picked up and hopefully get the new one by today. If not, we'll be finishing it tomorrow, if not Wednesday. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys at least what I was talking about. So it spins and then it locks up right around there. If you try to go any further, like the motor would be like super seized, but that's basically as far as you can go. And then I can go back a little bit, and then that's it, it's stuck. And I can even try it with a breaker bar to show you. Like once you get it up in there, and then that's it right there, it's stuck. So if I try to go any further with the breaker bar, it just becomes super hard to kind of break it loose. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna basically start with the intake manifold, take the power steering off, alternator, AC lines, the grounds, and then I'll kind of just keep you guys posted. This ain't gonna be a long video. I just want to get this thing knocked out as fast as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna start knocking that out and then we'll come back. All right, so got the intake manifold off, power steering pump, AC lines, alternator. I took the complete engine harness off, so that's basically ready, and off the transmission. Took off the rear heater hoses, thermostat. Next thing I pretty much got to do is drop the exhaust manifold. So I'm gonna do that next. And then I'm gonna take off the battery tray, just the 4 12s. And then I think we'll probably start getting to suspension and start taking off the axles. Other than that, trying to see what else. I think we should be almost ready. I took off the vacuum lines too as well from this. Also took off the 2 grounds. I just got to take off that last one right there. Other than that, we're getting there. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting on this tray, exhaust manifold, and then getting to the axles and shifter cable so we can start pulling this thing out. I can call JDM in California to come pick it up. All right, so we're back now, and went ahead and knocked out the axles and broke loose all the suspension. Got the shift linkage out as well. I took out the bolts for the mounts to the front and the rear. It's pretty much ready. Like I said, did both sides already on the axles. Next thing I think I'll probably be doing is maybe getting the cherry picker. I think we're almost ready for the cherry picker, and start breaking down these mounts, the driver side and the passenger side, and hopefully we can jack this thing out and get ready to take everything back off as far as starter, AC pump, water pump housing, the side mount, and every other thing, and all this stuff over here, so we can be ready for pickup. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting things ready, and then we'll come back. All right, so motor is out. Now I can go take the rest of it apart. I already put it in the garage, so pretty much what we're gonna do is take off the transmission, the rear bracket, the front bracket, all the hoses right here that I put on, starter, the water pump housing, and that should be it. After that, and the side bracket, of course. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, rip this tranny apart real quick, and then that should be it after we do the tranny and all the hoses and stuff. All right, so the motor is completely stripped. I took everything off. It's basically ready to go. Like I said, I'll spin it again for you guys. That's locked up on that way, so It turns, and then that's it. As far as it goes. This is show proof that this motor is no good. I wouldn't have wasted my time putting it together and taking it back out. But yeah, that's gonna be the end, guys. If you haven't liked, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. Check out the other videos as well. I also got some other videos with MR2s and EGs, EFs, K-swap and everything, so check those out. And I'll see you guys next time.